In this video, we'll explain what a Certificate of Conformity, or CoC, really means, what typical elements it contains, and why it is so important in quality and supply chain processes. A Certificate of Conformity, CoC, is a general statement provided by a vendor, manufacturer, or service provider ensuring that a delivered product has been manufactured and tested as agreed and meets predefined specifications and requirements, for example technical or safety requirements. The certificate issuer can regulate its scope and elements, but the purpose remains the same: to confirm that what was delivered is exactly what was agreed. Let's go through the typical elements you will usually find inside a Certificate of Conformity. Element 1. Header. It usually includes CoC reference, a unique certificate number. Issuing authority, the company or organization issuing the certificate. This makes the document traceable and officially identifiable. Element 2. Product data details. This section describes the product for which the CoC is issued. It typically includes product name, product number or part number, lot or batch number, optional, purchase order reference, optional. This ensures there is no doubt which exact product or batch the certificate applies to. Element 3. Conformity statement. This is the core of the document. A typical statement may look like this. Our company certifies that the products have been manufactured and have passed our quality control procedures satisfactorily, following applicable specifications, technical orders, and all other applicable documents in effect on the date of this document's issue. This is the formal declaration that the product fulfills agreed requirements. Element 4. Authorization and credibility. This part confirms the document's credibility. It includes date of issue, place of issue, optional, name of the authorized person, role or function, for example, quality representative, signature. Additionally, the approval can sometimes be physically attached to the product as an approval tag, or approved parts can be marked with labeling attached to the batch packaging. Benefits and importance of a Certificate of Conformity: confirms compliance with requirements, supports traceability of products and batches, builds trust between supplier and customer, simplifies receiving inspection processes, serves as documented proof during audits or investigations, reduces risk in the supply chain. In short, it is a simple document that carries significant value in quality assurance. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.